Hi! So I'm filming this the day after I've done my Pamper night. I just wanted to let you all know that obviously Look Fantastic did send me some stuff for this video. It will be Black Friday as you see in this. So obviously there's up to 50% off site-wide on Look Fantastic anyway. But I have a code that will get you 11% off on top of any like savings, which is Lucy LLF. I'll pop it on screen, but I just thought I'd let you all know this before the video starts because I forgot to mention it because I'm an idiot. Also, I look tan now because obviously I tan in this video, and I look presentable. You just wait in a few minutes. I look terrible, and you're gonna understand why I needed a big pamper because I was rough. I'm alright now, I'm all good. Pamper was needed, but yeah, I'm a catfish. Enjoy the video. Hi, I need a pamper. I'm tired, I'm stressed, I'm on my period, so I need a pamper. Look at me, I'm a mess. I know. Yeah, I'm a mess. I've got a bare face that has had a bit of a breakout. You might not be able to see, but quite a bad breakout. It's cleared up through the day though, which is good. I got oily hair, I've got no tan on, and I'm really feeling disgusting. Do you know when you get to that point where you just feel grubby, whatever it's called, what's it called? That's how I feel. I just feel a mess, and it really needs sorting. I'm just so tired. I've really just not stopped working on this room, and it's finally like done pretty much. I've got like 2 things to put together. So yeah, I'm in need of a good self-care night, and that's what I'm gonna do with the help of the absolute darling Look Fantastic. Oh my god, I love you. They've sent me some stuff, and it's like a pamper night, and I'm so excited about it. Everything in this is going to make me feel so much better, so I thought, do you know what, let's pamper ourselves together. I'm sorry if I'm coming across really boring on this video, but I'm just tired. Like, this has took it out of me, this room, and with it being like Black Friday and everything, like my work has just boom gone crazy. I'm not gonna complain, but I'm tired. But yeah, Look Fantastic kindly sent me out some stuff, and I'm so excited about it because I don't think you all understand how much I need this right now. I did pick everything because I've got some of my favourite bits in here, which I'll leave below, but oh my god, I'm just so excited. I literally just picked out like the essentials that you need for a good like pamper, a good glow up. Look how nicely it's packaged in this little box. In a VIP pass to Cyber Beauty Takeover. Honestly, I love like Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Oh my god, it's just the best time ever for me. And there'll be loads of deals now on Look Fantastic too, so that is exciting. I firstly got this. This is a Cerave foaming cleanser. Oh my god, I cannot tell you. I have been looking for a cleanser that will sort my skin out and help me like stop getting spots. This is it. Like, this is it. I got recommended it by one of my friends, and I got it, and oh my god. It's Cerave foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. I got this one because the one that I got before was for dry skin, and my skin is not dry, it's very oily. So and I was wondering why it wasn't working, and that was obviously why. But yeah, it's like a gel, fragrance free. If you have bad breakouts and you've got oily skin, this is a really good product to go for. It's like a holy grail. And then I got some of these Blackhead Strips. I love these. They're the Garnier ones, and they help get these little disgusting things out. Obviously, like I said, I've got really bad oily skin, and around here, even if I wash my face, it just feels so oily. So these will help a lot. I picked this up, and it is unreal. Ignore that black on my hands. I've been waxing, and I've got like wax all over. My nails need doing as well. I'm just a mess. So I picked this out. Oh my god, this is good. I've seen it everywhere. People use it as a primer and moisturizer, and it's like a really nice base. Obviously like a primer to put on before your makeup. It moisturizes and primers at the same time, so it's really good. Love it. So I picked that up to moisturize with, because I don't really like the moisturizer I'm using at the moment. It is actually making my skin feel a lot more oily, whereas this actually didn't. I picked these out. I think they're called face defuzzers. Yeah, face defuzzers. Basically, they're like the little dermaplane thing, dermaplane. I can't pronounce. I'm like half asleep. So I'm excited to do this today because it's really satisfying, and I have not done that in a long time. It's like makes my skin really soft, and my makeup applies a lot better when I do that. I'm so excited about this. So this is Grow Gorgeous hair oil. It's an intense hair growth serum for fine / thinning hair. I absolutely love any like hair masks or hair oils. This is gonna make my hair feel good. It comes in a little bottle like that, but then you get like the little droplet thing that you put on as a lid. I'm not joking, this is such a good brand. Like, I always get stuff from there from Look Fantastic and I just love it. Oh my god, that smells amazing. I got this. It's like a bath salt, like bath milk I think it's called, and it's Wellada, and it's a lavender one. And oh my god, I love lavender. It smells beautiful and it just relaxes me. Like, that's the only scent that actually does make me feel relaxed, is lavender. It just is so nice. It's like a spa. I got Bondi Sands. I actually haven't tried this ever, and I've always wanted to try it, so I'm really excited. It's the Ultra Dark. Obviously I have the Ultra Dark. And then I also picked up this Bondi Sands mitt, application mitt. I love like the dark ones, like the black ones, because then I don't feel as bad for not washing them because you can't see the green. And then I got this, which is the Bondi Sands exfoliating mitt. I needed one so badly, so I thought I'd pick those up. The packaging of those is so cute. I have been very bloated and miserable because of my period. And when I go through my PMS before my period, it only takes a bottle of tan to make me feel good again, so I'm excited. A bit too close for comfort. Look at that breakout. I always go from like here. Ugh. So much dead skin already, what the hell? Look at that. But honestly, I haven't done this in ages. I'm still recovering from shaving my sideburns as well, so that's great. These are really good, they actually get them off really fast. I always buy really cheap ones of these, and you can tell the difference in this. Like, I think this pack was about £8, which I think is pretty good. This would be a good little stocking filler actually, but yeah, you can tell a massive difference from the ones that I usually get, which are very cheap. Oh my god, look at that. Probably should not have shaved that much off, but YOLO. These bits never grow though, it takes so long. Wait, am I shaving my sideburns off? What am I doing? I actually have as well. Loose. No. Why didn't I learn from last time? Don't know why I'm shaving this bit, but you know. Lol. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, period pains. My skin feels so soft now. They are really good, you know. Like, they're so much better than the cheapy ones that I buy. Look what has come off my face. That is wild. I bet if I went on the scales now, I'd weigh less. That's how much has come off my face. Now I'm gonna do my hair serum thing. And then I'll run my bath actually, because I want this to like soak into my hair for a while. I am getting extensions back, by the way. I feel like I need them back. It's my birthday in a week. So yeah, I want my extensions back because I can't do anything with my hair now. Like, oh my god, I've just put that in and there's loads that's come out. Yeah, my hair's really thin and like I can't do much with it, so I'm just gonna get my extensions back. I have persevered for a good 2 years to try and just let my hair grow, and as much as it has grown a bit, it's not enough, and there's no like volume or thickness, so I thought, yeah, I'm gonna get my extensions back. So I'm just putting this on. Oh, it smells amazing. I literally cannot explain to you. If you've had these products before, you'll know what they smell like, but wow, that is like my favourite smell ever. It's like perfume. This was needed, honestly. I have not just sat and like pampered myself in so long, and like the last month or so has probably been the most stressful month of my life, purely just because of my room. And I've been dreaming of a day where I can just sit and do this and just chill out. That feels so nice. Do you know what I love as well? Do you know when you get like your hair done at a salon and they give you like that massage, like a massage, that is like the best thing ever. The best few minutes of my life. Yeah, like me and my mum went to a spa day as well, and that was so good. We got like facials and a full body massage, and oh my god, it was just so unreal. If I was rich, I would get them all the time. I know I'm putting so much of this on, but I just like it. Okay, I feel like that's massaging enough. If I keep doing that, I probably will fall asleep. I feel good. No. I want my house to smell exactly like that when I move out. I want to smell like that for the rest of my life. And then when boys come near me, they'll be like, wow. Okay, so I think we should go run a bath. I'm gonna start running my bath now because I just want to relax, honey. Oh my god, look at that milk. My hair on. Oh my god, I love that. I'm gonna put a bit of bubble bath in it as well because I love bubbles. So whilst that bath is running, I'm gonna just wash my face with the Cerave cleanser, because I'm gonna put a face mask on. Oh, I should have really wet my face as well, but it's fine. Wow, I look awful. Anyway, I'm putting a face mask on. This is the Amorovis. I'll let you read that. This makes me feel rich. It comes with a little spatula as well, which I didn't clean from the last time I used it. It looks so good. Like, I don't know if it's just because I'm on my period, I'm craving like anything, but that's, oh my god, I want to eat it. I could not be thinking of anything better to do right now than be doing this. Like, I'm just so chilled out. I'm in a nice headspace. I feel good. The smells going on in this room make me feel like I genuinely am at a spa. It's crazy. Like, this smells like what they'd put on you at a spa. Okay, that's face mask done. I'm gonna chill out and then I'll speak to you when I'm in the bath, in my bubbles, having a great time. I'm in the bath, okay, and I haven't cleaned the bathroom in a while, so this is just all a bit of a mess. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to like stew myself, and what I mean by that is basically, do you know when you like do a stew? This is exactly how I describe taking tan off. Sit in the bath, wait for it to melt. So like when a carrot first goes in a slow cooker, it's like rock hard, and then when it's been stewing in all the gravy and it's steaming, it's like it melts in your mouth. That's like the tan. It's hard to come off, and then as soon as it melts in the bath, it's off. I'm gonna use my Bondi Sands exfoliating mitt. I'm so excited. I have needed a new exfoliating mitt for so long. The paper that they put in here, ooh, makes me feel funny. Don't like it. I'll put you down a little bit so you can see me take the tan off with this, because this is so good. Right, so you can see the tan on my arms, which is like coming off. Look at that, within one swipe it's crumbling. This is what I mean. It's so good. Look at that. Oh my god, I'm so excited to tan, like I can't even explain. Look at that. Oh my god, it's all coming off. Honestly, these are so good, and these are actually really affordable and look fantastic as well. Look, I'll turn the brightness down slightly because I felt like you can't actually see it as good. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Yeah, it really does not take much to get it off. It's actually so good. It always clings like here. Does anyone else find that? Like right near your armpit. I usually hate removing tan, but this is a godsend. It's so good. I will leave this link below. If you're a lover of tan, obviously, and you like struggle taking it off, then this is definitely something to go for out this video. Now ready for a fresh layer. Got my Bondi Sands. Just opening it now. I'm really excited to try this actually, because everyone like raves about this. So see what it's like. I'm gonna need to like fully cover myself up because obviously my bed, everything's new, and like I do not want any tan on my bedding. Any, like, I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I will. Ultra dark Bondi Sands, let's go. Ooh, oh my god, that smells beautiful. Smells like holiday. All right, very pigmented. This is actually a cool tone instead of a warm tone. It's good really because it gives you like an instant colour straight away. This is applying good though. Look at that. That is so good. I swear it's £16 or something. That's really good. I usually use like a red tone tan, but yeah, I like this. I love tans like this as well. You know when they give like instant colour? Like that is always like one of my favourite things about a tan. I like to be tanned straight away and know a good tan when I see one. I do not want this going on the bedding. Like I'm actually really scared of it going on the bedding. So I'm gonna get tanned and sort myself out and then I'll be back with you. But yeah, I need to get covered. I'm scared. Hi, I look very different now. I am a catfish, but I'm tanned. Look, that tan. It's amazing. I tan my face as well, and it's made my makeup go really nice. I also use, which I forgot to show you all, oh my god, I love this. Like, I love it. Where is it? Can't find it. Oh, there. This, the box is here. Where's the actual, oh, there. This stuff is unreal. This was like mad on TikTok not long ago. I remember seeing everyone use it, like loads of makeup artists use it as like a primer and a moisturiser, and oh my god, I've been using it so much lately. A little goes a long way. I've been using this like before I put my makeup on and it makes my like foundation just stick onto my skin. Like it's such a good primer and it makes you like face really glowy as well. So this is so good. If you've been thinking about using it, definitely go and get some. So yeah, just thought I'd let you all know that. And the tan, look, Bondi Sands, you are amazing. So nice. So yeah, I'm all tanned, I'm feeling a lot better, and I just feel like you just need a pamper day every now and again. But yeah, I am a big catfish. I look really pale and spotty and greasy on the last clip, and now I'm like tanned and I'm ready. I will be doing probably more pamper routines because I just absolutely love them. But like I say, Black Friday on Look Fantastic right now. Thank you so much for sending me those goodies out. I really needed that. Can't even explain to you. I probably said it about a million times. But yeah, that's that, and I'll see you in my next video. Au revoir. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.